Operation Sindoor is going to complete 1 year in less than 3 months. And of course, we must move on from there. It was a successful operation, very important in India's military history, certainly. But the challenge doesn't end there, as we all should know, those of us who are more realist, that that was just probably a trailer. The bigger cinema or bigger full movie might come later, and we must be prepared for that. So, and that is why this session is extremely important. What are the challenges that lie ahead? Atmanirbharta, as I think Ms. Deepti Mohil Chawla mentioned and the previous speakers mentioned here, is a buzzword in the Ministry of Defence and across the three services. But we also need to look at the reality on the ground. How much of it is real, how much of it is rhetoric, how much of it is just sloganeering? Because from Make in India in 2015 to Atmanirbharta has been more than a decade now. And I remember when I started my own portal in 2015 called Bharat Shakti, I was facing a lot of mockery from a lot of people that Bharat Shakti, why are you giving this name? Nobody's going to look at you because it is, first of all, an Indian name, and Indian defense could have been better. But we stuck to it. And in fact, our tagline, self-reliance and defense, was ahead of the curve, I would like to claim. That's because I personally believe that without your own ecosystem, military-industrial complex, a nation cannot be strong enough to withstand challenges as the country grows and grows in every aspect. So therefore, I think we are at an inflection point, and as highlighted there, we are certainly moving towards that particular stage where we can take off as a country, where we can become as much self-reliant as possible in defense. Not everything can be done in India, but therefore, let us ask the practitioners, the users, and those who have actually written doctrines and authored some of the principles of war